Welcome back to our YouTube channel SR Creations. NCERT or CBSE Plus 2 Physics New Syllabus of 2023-2024. പ്ലസ് ടു ഫിസിക്സ് പാഠപുസ്തകത്തിൻ്റെ പുതിയ സിലബസാണ് 2023-2024 പുതിയ സിലബസാണ്. എല്ലാവരും ചാപ്റ്റേഴ്സൊക്കെ പഠിച്ചിരിക്കുക. നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. ഫിസിക്സ് പാർട്ട് 1 contains 8 chapters. Contents: first chapter electric charges and fields, containing introduction, electric charge, conductors and insulators, basic properties of electric charge, Coulomb's law, forces between multiple charges, electric field lines, electric flux, electric dipole in a uniform external field, continuous charge distribution, Gauss's law, application of Gauss's law. Total 14 subtopics. Chapter number 2, electrostatic potential and capacitance. Subtopics: introduction, electrostatic potential, potential due to a point charge, potential due to an electric dipole, potential due to a system of charges, equipotential surfaces, potential energy of a system of charges, potential energy in an external field, electrostatics of conductors, dielectrics and polarization, capacitors and capacitance, the parallel plate capacitor, effect of dielectric on capacitance, combination of capacitors, energy stored in a capacitor. Total 15 subtopics. Chapter 3, current electricity. Subtopics: introduction, electric current, electric currents in conductors, Ohm's law, drift of electrons and the origin of resistivity, limitations of Ohm's law, resistivity of various materials, temperature depends of resistivity, electrical energy, power, cells, EMF, internal resistance, cells in series and in parallel, Kirchhoff's rules, Wheatstone bridge. Total 13 subtopics. Chapter number 4, moving charges and magnetism. Subtopics: introduction, magnetic force, motion in a magnetic field due to a current element, Biot-Savart law, magnetic field on the axis of a circular current loop, Ampere's circuit law, the solenoid, force between two parallel currents, the ampere, torque on current loop, magnetic dipole, the moving coil galvanometer. Total 10 subtopics. Chapter number 5, magnetism and matter. Introduction, the bar magnet, magnetism and Gauss's law, magnetization and magnetic intensity, magnetic properties of materials. Total 5 subtopics. Chapter number 6, electromagnetic induction. Introduction, the experiments of Faraday and Henry, magnetic flux, Faraday's laws of induction, Lenz's law and conservation of energy, motional electromotive force, inductance, AC generator. Total 8 subtopics. Chapter number 7, alternating current. Introduction, AC voltage applied to a resistor, representation of AC current and voltage by rotating vectors, phasors, AC voltage applied to an inductor, AC voltage applied to a capacitor, AC voltage applied to a series LCR circuit, power in AC circuit, the power factor, transformers. Total 8 subtopics. Chapter number 8 and last of the first part textbook, electromagnetic waves. Introduction, displacement current, electromagnetic waves, electromagnetic spectrum. Total 4 subtopics. Total 8 chapters in part 1st textbook. Next, physics part 2nd textbook. Total 6 chapters. First, chapter 9, ray optics and optical instruments. Subtopics: introduction, reflection of light by spherical mirrors, refraction, total internal reflection, refraction at spherical surface and by lenses, refraction through a prism, optical instruments. Total 7 subtopics. Chapter number 10, wave optics. Introduction, Huygens principle, refraction and reflection of plane waves using Huygens principle, coherent and incoherent addition of waves, interference of light waves and Young's experiment, diffraction, polarization. Total 7 subtopics. Chapter number 11, dual nature of radiation and matter. Contents: introduction, electron emission, photoelectric effect, experimental study of photoelectric effect and wave theory of light, Einstein's photoelectric equation, energy quantum of radiation, particle nature of light, the photon, wave nature of matter, containing total 8 subtopics. Next, chapter 12, atoms. Introduction, alpha particle scattering and Rutherford nuclear model of atom, atomic spectra, Bohr model of the hydrogen atom, the line spectra of the hydrogen atom, de Broglie's explanation of Bohr's second postulate of condensation. Next, chapter 13, nuclei. Introduction, atomic mass and composition of nucleus, size of the nucleus, mass energy and nuclear binding energy, nuclear force, radioactivity, nuclear energy. Total 7 subtopics. Next and last chapter, chapter 14, semiconductor electronics, materials, devices and simple circuits. Introduction, classification of metals, conductors and semiconductors, intrinsic semiconductors, extrinsic semiconductor, PN junction, semiconductor diode, application of junction diode as a rectifier. Total 7 subtopics. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.